2023 GasGas RX 450F Replica first look. Although the Dakar Rally and other rally raids are wildly popular with fans worldwide, authentic production rally motorcycles are few and far between. The new 2023 GasGas RX 450F Replica steps up to the plate, offering many of the goodies you will find on Sam Sunderland's 2022 Dakar Rally winning GasGas factory racing bike. Let's take a look at what's available on this limited edition motorcycle, which is based on the GasGas MC 450F motocrosser. The SOHC 4-valve motor gets beefed up for the high speeds and long distances that define rally raids. From the top, the cylinder head is ported, there's a Pankl piston and connecting rod, and the DDS clutch and 6-speed gearbox are stronger. An Akrapovic exhaust ups the ante further, along with a Hinson clutch cover. The bodywork incorporates shrouds to direct cooling air to the radiator. To keep the motor running, the RX 450F has 3 fuel tanks. One of them does double duty as the rear subframe. When all 3 cavities are filled, 9 gallons of high test are aboard. The 2023 GasGas RX 450F Replica has top-flight suspension. As expected, KTM AG's WP suspension is used. The Explore Pro 7548 fork and Explore Pro 7750 shock are used. The Explore Pro suspension line is positioned as WP Suspension's flagship off-road units. X-Trig triple clamps hold the fork legs in place, and are anodized red. A Nikon handlebar is mounted to the top clamp. The navigation tower is carbon fiber. However, you must provide the electronics for it. Excel rims with black anodizing have Continental Twinduro TKC 80 tires mounted. Rally raiders will likely be swapping out the rubber for something designed for off-road competition. Brembo calipers acting on oversized rotors are used to slow the RF 450F from the high speeds it will be running. The front disc is 300 mm in diameter, and the rear measures 240 mm across. For increased durability, a Supersprox Stealth rear sprocket is employed. A carbon fiber skid plate protects the undercarriage. The rally seat is designed for all-day riding. The RX 450F is a limited edition model, though we don't have production numbers. There's no MSRP for the 2023 GasGas RX 450F Replica, so check with your dealer for availability and price. Unfortunately, it does not come with a guarantee that you'll ride like Sam Sunderland. And, yes, we'd love a street-legal version, too. 2023 GasGas RX 450F Replica specs. Engine type: single-cylinder 4-stroke displacement, 450cc bore X-stroke, 95 by 63.4 mm maximum power, 63 horsepower compression ratio, 13.1, 1 valve train, SOHC, 4 valves starting, electric fueling, FE with 44 mm Cayenne throttle body lubrication, pressure lubrication with 2 pumps muffler, Akrapovic titanium transmission, Pankl 6-speed clutch, wet multi-disc DDS clutch with Brembo hydraulics final drive, 5/8 by 1/4 chain.